The second type of new cell death is pyroptosis. And as the name says, it is made from the combination of two words, pyro plus apoptosis. Pyro refers to the presence of fever, that is, the person has fever due to pyroptosis. Plus, the morphological changes that the cell goes through is similar to necrosis, that is, there are cellular swelling, disruption of plasma membrane. Obviously, when there is disruption of plasma membrane, the intracellular content, it leaks out, and that leads to inflammation. But the most major fact is that there is fever associated, and this is brought about by interleukin 1. Interleukin 1 is also responsible for bringing about or mediating inflammation in pyroptosis. Apoptosis obviously because it is a programmed cell death. Programmed cell death. And if you remember properly, I said that necroptosis is also a programmed cell death, but it is caspase independent. But pyroptosis is caspase dependent. So here caspases are involved, and the caspases involved are 1, 4, 5, 11. So it is caspases 1, 4, 5, 11 dependent programmed cell death. Okay. Mechanism. The mechanism is again similar to that of necroptosis, or shall I say the initiation of the extrinsic pathway of apoptosis. Here, the process of pyroptosis is seen during bacterial infection. When? During bacterial infection. So in yellow right here, we have a bacterial component. Bacterial component. This bacterial component can be, let's take for example, Shigella or Salmonella. This bacterial component goes and attaches with a receptor on the cell called the nod receptor. As soon as the bacterial component, it attaches or ligates with nod receptor, it leads to the formation of inflammasome. Inflammasome then activates caspases. And I have already told you which caspases are activated. 1, 4, 5, 11. Caspase 1, very important. Caspase 1 is responsible for the activation of interleukin 1. And I said interleukin 1 had two measures of. Number 1, fever. That is why you have been given the name of pyroptosis, due to fever. And number 2, inflammation, because it is also an inflammation mediator. The rest of the caspases 4, 5, and 11, they are responsible for cell death. And that's it for pyroptosis.